Okay, boys and girls, we are going to do some sentence dictation with AI says A and AY says A. Now remember, AI is usually at the beginning or middle of the word when you hear the long A sound. And the AY is usually at the end of the word when you hear the A sound. So far we know magic E makes the A long, AI makes the A long, and AY makes the A long. All right, first sentence. Let's listen. J unlocked each gate with a chain. All right, let's count it. J unlocked each gate with a chain. 7 words. All right, so J, A. I hear the A sound at the end, so I'm going to use AY. I'm also going to start my sentence with a capital letter. J unlocked. Ooh, that's a lots of rules. So we have un plus lock plus ed. So remember, un means the opposite of. So unlocked is the opposite of locked. I'm going to add my prefix un. Add our word lock. I don't have to change anything in the word lock to add the ending ed. Unlocked. Remember, ed can say the t sound. J unlocked each. Each is a super word. E-A-C-H. Gate. G-8. Ooh, I hear A in the middle, but this is where we have to learn that this word has a magic E and not a vowel team. We learn it from just lots of practice and looking at the different words. J unlocked each gate with a chain. All right, with, we know how to spell A, chain. Let's say the sounds in chain. Ch-A-N. Chain, and this word has a AI that makes the A long. Ch-A-N. J unlocked each gate with a chain, and I'm going to put a period because you're just telling me something. All right, sentence number 2. Will you replace the drain you gave away? All right, you ready? Will you replace the drain you gave away? 8 words. Will is going to be capitalized because it is a beginning of the sentence. Will has a short vowel followed by the L, so we're going to double it. Will you, use a super word, Y-O-U, replace. Replace is re plus place. That means to put it there again because that's what re means. Replace. I know re is a prefix, R-E. Place. Let's say the sounds. Place. Place. Now I hear that S at the end of a magic E word. So I am going to use a C-E for the S sound. Will you replace the, T-H-E, drain? Let's say the sounds in drain. D-R-A-N, drain. All right, the blend I hear at the beginning is der. A-I in the middle says A. And then N is my last sound in drain. Will you replace the drain, you, Y-O-U, gave, G-A-V, gave. Gave has a magic E that makes the A long. Remember, we just have to really practice and learn. Sorry. Gave away. Away is a super word. A-W-A-Y. Away. Will you replace the drain you gave away? They are asking you to do something. So they're asking you a question. Please make sure that your words look like mine. Thank you, boys and girls.